here I am, down on my knees again, surrendering all, surrendering all. Find me here, Lord, as you draw me near. I'm desperate for you, I'm desperate for you. I surrender. Drench my soul as mercy and grace unfold. I hunger and thirst, I hunger and thirst. With arms stretched wide, I know you hear my cry. So speak to me now, I surrender, I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know you more. I surrender, I surrender. I want to know you more, I want to know you more. Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a mighty storm, stir within my soul. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a mighty storm, stir within my soul. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Oh, like a rushing wind, Jesus, breathe within. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Like a mighty storm, stir within my soul. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. Lord, have your way, Lord, have your way in me. I surrender. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that cover of I Surrender by Hillsong. If you liked some of the chords that you saw in this cover, that's because this was an advanced guitar cover, so I was using some advanced guitar chords. If you want to learn some of those advanced guitar chords, make sure to check out the link to the free PDF in the description below called 25 Advanced Guitar Chords, where I'll show you some of the chords that I just used, plus a few more that you can implement into your own guitar playing to level up your guitar playing. Other than that, thanks so much for joining me. Until I see you in the next video, keep leading worship well.